How to add Arbitrum to Trust Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, you want to go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet right here. And once inside, you basically want to navigate through the main menu of Trust Wallet. So in my case, it's this page right here. Once inside, you can then go ahead and see the search icon above your screen. And from here, you basically and simply want to type Arbitrum. And from here, you can just go ahead and click on it. And inside the Arbitrum page, we can then go ahead and use the functionality of the send button, the receive icon, swap, buy, and sell. You can just go ahead and click on receive to receive Arbitrum on the Trust Wallet. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.